Hi, welcome back to Line Dance with Christiane. Yes, we can. We're going to do Austin adapted for line dancing. It was originally for TikTok and just facing one wall. But in line dancing, we like to face all the walls and dance in a line. So here we go from the top. It's a 32 count introduction.
We had a plan, move out of this town, baby. What's to the sin? It's all we talked about, baby. I packed the car, a new guitar, and Jane was smoking. First thing it's on, the cute songs, and we get going. Thought you went home, waited on the porch for you, sat there alone. All throughout the morning, got a hunch down in the gut and snuck around the back. Empty cans and I'll be damned, your bags were never packed. Did you know?
And then counts from the top. Starting with our right foot. Right heel and a left heel and a right heel hitch in front, right heel flicking back and a right half pivot and a right half pivot and a grapevine to the right jump and clap and a grapevine to the left jump and clap. Jump and clap, and a double right heel, and a double left heel, and a toe, heel right, and a toe, heel left, and a right half pivot lasso, right half pivot, jazz, box, turn. Good, with counts. From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.